On the day I went to Andersen Hitches, I met with Madison. She's the customer service girl that I spoke to on the phone. I also met with Ryan. Ryan was the director of marketing. I told Ryan about our YouTube channel, David and Deborah's Scenic Adventures, and asked if it would be possible for me to take pictures as I toured the plant to create a video of the tour. He was very accommodating, said yes, and agreed to walk me through the plant. I saw the injection molding plants pumping out the polyethylene, high-density polyethylene products. The aluminum extrusions that comes in whole pieces and is cut down to make the pieces for the hitches. I watched the process of the Andersen hitches being made. Being put into the machine to be sandblasted before painting. There's some of the gooseneck hitches going in to be sandblasted and then painted. I also observed new products being tested. With lots of inventory, Andersen Hitches is ready to ship product to their dealers all across the country. Andersen Hitches, always working to better their products and to create new products for the RV trailer industry.